Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write and declare indefinite loop using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my supporters, subscribers, and followers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment. I know I have received so many comments, positive comments, suggestions on how I can improve and how I was able not to solve or your request on machine problems in computer programming. I really appreciate your support, your patronage in my channel. So if you are new with my video, if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. One of the things I've learned through my career in computer programming is that there are different types of solution in a particular programming. So one of the concepts that I would like to share with you is indefinite loop. According to Google, an indefinite loop is a loop that waits for some condition to become true. In general, it's not obvious how many iteration it takes. It is considered an indefinite loop where the number of iteration is unknown ahead of time or not easily computed. So basically, indefinite loop guys, whatever programming language that you want to write your indefinite loop has a purpose in computer programming. I will give you one example. Let's say for example you will create a program that uses a menu and then you want your program to become solid or stable. If there is an option that does not belong in the menu, it will not crash. So one of the suggestion is to use indefinite loop. So let us go with the code. So here I have a very short line of code in C++ to demonstrate the concept of indefinite loop. From the word indefinite, it will continue running the program without any interruption, not unless there is a user will close the program. So we have here, I'm using dev C++. So sharp include IOString for input output in C++ using namespace std int main. It is a function in every C++ program that will be executed by our compiler, and then when we terminate, it is also the function begin int I equals 0 for, and then we have here semicolon I equals 1 semicolon. So it will display this message continuously when we run console out indefinite loop in C++, and then we close the body of our for loop and then we close. Okay, that's it. That's very simple. So I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Next, we will compile and run to see the result. As you can see, while it is running, it is continuously running, not unless I will close this window. So this is the good example of an indefinite loop implementation using C++ programming language. Let us close this one to stop running the program. So I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video on how to declare and use indefinite loop using C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. I will put a link in the video description so that you can visit my two websites which offer free source code on different programming language. You can download it, you can modify it, use in your project or your application development for free without any cost. The first one is www.jakerpomperada.com, and then the second one is www.jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. The link is in the video description. Kindly see. Okay, so see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.